Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Courtesy of Land Rover of Norwood, we have this 2021 Land Rover Range Rover Velar S. Total price as equipped of $72,610. This one is the P340S with the supercharged 6-cylinder. Do not know if it's an inline 6. I think it's a V6. 335 horsepower, 354 pound-feet of torque. Carpathian gray over light oyster with ebony. Just kind of curious to see if it's a V6. I think it is, in fact, an inline. Looks like an inline 6. I'm not sure though, so don't quote me. That is hot. Whew. All right. That. I'm gonna be driving it in dynamic. I don't know, man. It sounds exactly like a V6, but I could be wrong, but now, of course, this isn't an F-Type, but I can hear the cracks and burbles. They're being toned down by the muffler, but I can hear them. They're not nearly as loud as they are in the F-Type, but I can hear little ones. The Velar has been my favorite of the Land Rover range. I just love it so much. I love the looks, and it really drives quite well. Metal paddles. I can even hear a little bit of supercharger whine. awesome. Driving this around has been a real pleasure. I just love it. Auto start stop with a hold feature. If you want to deactivate active auto start stop, it's somewhere in the menu. I just wasn't bothered to find it. In fact, there's a Velar. You can just see it looks the part out on the road. Auto start stop is going to be the death of me. I don't like it in any car, except for a Tesla. Electric cars, you can have auto start stop. Not gas powered cars. Luckily, I mean, it's an easy fix. Just kind of lift off the brake or touch the gas a little bit, it turns itself right back on. But it's still an annoyance. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.